Today, we'll be working on C in our Rolodex series. I already cut the backgrounds for our cards. The letter C, we have camera, so I thought that would be a good one. I also cut out some of these items, including a C that has a cupcake in it. Yay! But unfortunately, the cupcake is upside down. I don't know how that happened, but we're using the C anyway. It'll be fun on this one, I think. So I've got this C that we've been using all along. We have some coconut, cupcake, cat, chicken, a clock, a caterpillar, a cow with the calf, and a castle. So let's get started with the first one. I think this will be the first one because I think we're going to put this one on here and put it first. But I like these cameras. I thought that would be good. And I thought we could work on the layouts for these. So what I might do is put a little bit of color around here. Since we have the dark blue in the camera, let's go with a darker color than we did last time. I think last time we went with the pink. Maybe put it in the middle. Let's see how that looks. I like that it's got a capital and a lower. Definitely want this cow and calf in here. I think they're fun. And since they're on the farm, maybe we could put the chicken yelling at them. That'd be kind of fun. And then trying to figure out how to put them exactly where we can get all the things in here. So this C is a little bit bigger, which may not be as good. But we got a coconut. And we can cut that out a little bit more if we need to. A clock, a cat. Cat could be up in the air because they jump on things. And we've got this lovely caterpillar, which is fun. Those are from the dictionary, the children's dictionary. And then we've got this lovely castle, which I think is kind of neat. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's glue these down. So there's the three cards. We've got their giant C with the castle. These were from a farm set I had, a stamp set, and I embossed them. I don't know if you can see if it'll show very well, but I embossed them, and I embossed him, but I colored him. I left them white because I thought that would look better. And the cat is also from that farm set, stamp set. And then here's the others all secured, ready to go. I'm going to put some rounded edges on them so they match the others, and a little bit of ink around the edges. I think the dark blue will look better on this, even though it's got light blue, and if the darker color will look good. And then I didn't use the sticker I found, but I will use it if I find some. There's a lot of C. C was really easy to find things. I found so many things I wanted to add, and I thought, well, I'm going to keep it to like 3 or 4. I don't want it to be too long, but we can always add more later if I feel the need to add some. I could take a quick run through and add a bunch if I find different things, or, whatever. But I don't want it to be too overwhelming. That's why I think 3 is probably a good number for that. And then let's go around the outside. I think I was using prize ribbon for my dark blue, just to kind of get a little bit. Wow, I pushed that down pretty good, didn't I? Last time I used it, I pushed it down really, really hard. So we'll go around the outside just to kind of give it a little bit of a finishing touch, and they'll be ready to add to our Rolodex primer. I like doing the inking on the edges, but I don't go in very far, and I try not to make it look too messy. I know the grunge look is one thing, but this is for kids, so I'm trying to make it look, you know, for kids to use, more fun and playful rather than grungy. That's my plan, and I do like the way it looks. I could take a marker and just go around the outside edge too, but for some reason I like this better. I'm not sure. I think it's therapeutic or something to use your foam pads and go around the outside. It makes me feel like I've added something significant, I guess, maybe. I don't know. But here we are. So that was a very simple addition. The letter C turned out to be rather easy to do. Lots of little kid-friendly items that I thought would be fun for the primer. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope to see you again on the channel again soon. Keep crafting.
And dance by the light of the moon.